Hey folks, welcome to Smart Money. Henry here again. A quick update on my Thorncoin ICO purchase. So yesterday I made a short video just showing you where I'm at with it, and literally ready to click go. So yesterday was the final round of their ICO pre-sale. If I show you down here. Right? So it was started at 50 cents, and then the final one was $1.20. I got in at $1.20, and I'm happy with it. I've just put in a little money, see how it goes, and really just to have a feel for it and see what happens. So it's not a lot, but here you can see. Let me go down. So here's my BTC package. Thorncoin ICOs, which I've purchased, the initial coins, and that's been confirmed. They had a little issue. I think it was supposed to be released at 1400 UTC, but they had a slight delay for an hour. So there I was ready at 2 o'clock to click the button just to receive a message that no, we're gonna delay it until 3. But anyway, I was there ready anyway, and I managed to get in. So now I think it will soon be on the some of the exchanges, and hoping to hit the target that they set out. And once it hits that target, I'll just be getting my cash out and look for other platforms to invest in. So guys, thanks for watching. As always, please do your own research, check things out, make sure that you're happy with your investments. Check out the companies, read the white papers, and make sure you're comfortable and only invest money that you are willing to lose, because as we say, all these things carry a risk, but high rewards if you get it right and if you get in on the right programs. So as always, be smart with your money today and have a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back with some more videos. Cheers.